Welcome, today I am with TCL 6100 series and I'm gonna show you how you can connect this soundbar to your smartphone by using the Bluetooth settings. So at the first you have to turn on your soundbar, so press this power button on your remote control. Next you have to click and hold the Bluetooth icon. Let's make it right now. Click and hold it. Keep holding. When you hear that notification sound, you have to release that button, and right now our indicator blinks on the blue. So it means that we are in the pairing mode. So next step, you have to simply grab your smartphone, open the Bluetooth settings, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and just take a look. The TCL appears on the list, so we have to tap on it once. Accept pairing request. And as you can see right now we are connected. So I'm gonna turn on YouTube and we can play, for example, no copyright song. Okay, so take a look. And as you can hear, the sound comes from our soundbar. So yeah, that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.